Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick that many people are talking about, how to make your WhatsApp messages appear with only one gray tick without blocking anyone. Make sure to watch until the end and follow each step carefully. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp tips, tricks, and hidden features. Now let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. Next, scroll through the list of applications and find WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp to open its settings. Now, scroll down and look for the option called Live Activities. If it's enabled, turn it off. After that, find Background App Refresh and disable it as well. The next step is to turn off notifications for WhatsApp. Once you've completed all these steps, WhatsApp won't be able to update as actively in the background. As a result, incoming messages may not be delivered to your device immediately under certain conditions. Keep in mind that the exact behavior can vary depending on your phone model, operating system version, internet connection, and WhatsApp updates. And that's basically it. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.